Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this short video recording. I want to show you how to connect your Floodify account to your TikTok account as soon as you have signed up. So you must have signed up on Floodify, so make sure you sign up using your referral invitation code and the link, the Floodify link, registration link. You click on it, make sure you sign up with your inviters registration code is very important. So after you have signed up, also what you do is that on the browser where you sign up for Floodify, go and log into your TikTok account, the TikTok account you want to connect. For instance, I just logged into my TikTok account here right now. So I want to connect this TikTok account to my Floodify. This is the TikTok account I want to connect. I've already logged in, and you can connect lots of accounts. You can connect unlimited accounts. So what you do right now is to, after you have logged in to your TikTok account and it's looking like this, you now go to your Floodify account. So let me go to my Floodify account and connect my Floodify account to my TikTok account, so that Floodify will start sending posts to my TikTok account, and as they are posting on your TikTok account, you are going to be earning dollars in your Floodify page, in your Floodify account, which you can withdraw. So this is a passive income. In this income project, you earn in dollars and you withdraw to your PayPal or your Payoneer account or your crypto wallet. So I'm going to be showing us how to connect our account to Floodify. So let me go to my Floodify page. Okay. So let me go to my Floodify. So I'm connecting to my Floodify. Alright. So I'm accessing my Floodify page right now. So I'm connecting to my Floodify account to connect TikTok to my Floodify account. So you sign in. I mean, you log into your Floodify account. So I'm logging in right now to my Floodify account. Alright. So once you are logged into your Floodify account, your dashboard is going to look like this. So let me quickly walk you through how to navigate your account. Once you log into your Floodify account, it's going to look like this. So you go to menu, you tap on menu. From this menu, if you want to check your referral and get your referral code, you click on referral program. So once you click on your referral program, so this is the code you need. You just tap on copy and then you get the general link. The general link is the same for everyone, but it's this referral code that is different for everyone. So you share it with your friends and loved ones to sign up under you. For every friend that sign up, you'll be earning $0.5 for everyone that signs up and connects their TikTok or Instagram account. So now to connect your account before connecting your account, if you want to check how your posts are doing, how they are earning you money, you click on analytics. You click on analytics and you see I've been able to connect about 2 TikTok accounts. I can see they have been earning me money within few seconds and few minutes that are connected. I already have 95 views in one of the posts. So Floodify have posted 5 posts. They have made 5 posts on the accounts that I connected on their own. I didn't do anything, and the posts are already generating revenue into my Floodify account. So to connect your account on Floodify, to connect your TikTok account, you click on menu. You go to menu and then you select account management. So pay very close attention. You select account management, click on account management to bring you to this place. You see, it say your accounts are ready to earn, because I've just connected 2 TikTok accounts. You can see you say my accounts are ready to earn. Great job connecting your social media account within the next week. You see, it say they will start automatically posting content. You don't need to do anything else. You see, I'm reading from you live source. You say just sit back and relax and watch the earning rolling. So this is 100% passive income. You don't need to start doing anything. Their own AI system is going to start posting videos on your TikTok account, and what you just need to do is to be cashing out. Once you have made $5, you cash out. You request through PayPal, Payoneer or crypto. I'm going to show you how to do that, how to withdraw. So I've connected 2 accounts already. So why I'm making this short video is to show you how to connect your TikTok account. You can connect unlimited account up to 50 accounts, even 100 accounts. Lots of people are connecting more than 50 accounts, and Instagram account. So to connect account, you click on this connect account here. Tap on connect account. As you can see, it will bring out this page. Then you select connect accounts. So you can see you can either connect TikTok or Instagram. In my own case, I'm connecting TikTok. So you click on connect accounts. So once you click on connect account, it's going to open your AY share, because this Floodify, they are using AY share platform API to connect your TikTok account to their own platform. So it's going to open AY Share, and in your own case, it's going to even prompt you to install AY Share. So you click on install. So being that I have already installed AY Share, so AYR Share, so it didn't prompt the install button. So now I'm connecting TikTok. You can see you can connect so many things, even Facebook, but Floodify is only interested in TikTok and Instagram for you to earn and monetize your social media. So you click on TikTok. So in another video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram account. So you click on TikTok. So once you click on TikTok, you make sure you are already logged in to your TikTok account, which I show you from the beginning. So it's going to automatically open your TikTok account and ask you for permission to grant AYR Share to connect your TikTok account. So this is my TikTok account that I want to connect, which is my third TikTok account. So you click on connect, click on this red button and click on connect, and it's going to connect you automatically to your Floodify account. That means AYR Share is connecting you automatically. So you can see once it connects you, you come here, you can see it says linked. You can see my TikTok account is linked to my Floodify account using AYR Share. So for you to verify this, that it has been linked, so what you do is you hide this and go back to your Chrome, and then you refresh, or you click on connect again, or you refresh, or you just click on connect again, and then it's going to show you. You see it has shown you everything. So you can see this is the TikTok account I just connected. You can see it has been successfully connected. So Floodify will start posting videos on this TikTok account within the next 3 to 4 days. So you have to wait. It takes within the next 3 to 4 or 5 days before they will start posting, and then you will start seeing results on your dashboard automatically. You don't need to do anything any longer. So what you just need to do, make sure you join our lecture group, so that I'm going to show you how to automate the system, how to start getting lots of viral views on any post they post on your TikTok account. So I'm going to quickly show you one of my TikTok account that is generating views, which Floodify posted and is generating views. So let me just show you that in a minute. Let me show you that in a minute. TikTok. So I'm showing you that in a minute. Let me show you. So one of the posts generate views automatically on their own. You don't need to do so. This application is just new, and this TikTok account is already connected to my Floodify. And you see, I only just have 183 followers, so you don't need to have much followers. You can see these videos here. You see, they belongs to Floodify. It is Floodify that posted them. I didn't do anything. So Floodify posted them. So this first has already generated 95 views. This one 85 views. This 39 views. So every 10 views, you earn $0.05 in your Floodify account. You see, so and this money you withdraw once you have earned $5. So that is how powerful this system is. Join our group, and I'm going to show you how to generate more views, how to automate the system and generate more views, sending more views to their posts, so that you can be getting faster passive income up to $4,000 in a month. So congratulations for joining this project. Make sure you share this project to your friends and loved ones. And also, as soon as you join our lecture group, we are going to show you how to make more money with other projects like Royal Homes, how to own your dream home in 2 months to 3 months. You own your dream home. Royal Homes is an AI crowdfunding application that will generate you up to 6 million naira within 2 to 3 months. You own your dream home. So I want you to take action, and action taker make the money. God bless you.